Me, 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 me. Hmm. It's so hot in here. Oh, it's so hot in here. What the hell is doing here? This is so bright. Oh, my so it's not cold. Nothing is here. This is a horror movie. Please don't shout. Oh no. Can't sleep. It's raining outside. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, me, me. The next day. Oh, not the next night. Me, 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 me. Oh, it's the next night again. What is this? SCP-333. This is the night. It's just so scratchy. Okay. Go. I think I'm gonna go up now. Kissing my sister, my little sister Shelly. Ouch! Shelly, wake up! Shelly, wake up! Shelly, wake up, please. Wake up. Okay, when you're up now, good. Because we're going to go to. Oh, it's night. It's so. Oh, sister. Oh, sister. So funny. Okay, come here. I'm so coughing because it's cold outside. Let me change my clothes for a minute. I can stand it. You cannot stand yet. We'll go carry you. I'm just eating Adrian. Who is Adrian? Adrian is my friend, but she's dead for 15 hours a day. Okay, you're gonna go here. Here. Wait, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna put you here. Okay. Okay, if you are hungry, I'm gonna cook you in dinner. Okay. Oh, Wolfie, Wolfie, why are you here? Okay, I'm gonna go here. Wolfie, you're gonna not go there. We're gonna go here. Oh, Wolfie, are you okay? It's just a heavy rain. That's okay. What do you hear? Okay. Hmm. Ouch. It hurts so much. It's just a horror. Hmm. Wait, I have an idea. Something is off. Oh. Okay. I don't know. Oh, I forgot. You are my mother, not sister. Sister is on. I forgot you're my mother. Oh. Sit down. Sit down, Macy. If you have a mistake, kill you. What mom I don't like? And I said, oh, oh. So I'm so I have so many mistakes. I'm so scared tomorrow. I need my little Chloe or my little Squish Pop. The part 2, guys, please watch the part 2, part 2, part 2, part 2.